Hello, friends. Welcome back to the English Fluency Podcast with Emma and Daniel.
Hi, everyone. Ready for 20 minutes of easy English?
Today's episode is all about learning fast with a simple daily habit.
Just 20 minutes a day?
Yes, vocabulary, conversation, pronunciation, and a quick grammar tip all in one episode.
That sounds like a lot.
It's simple and easy, don't worry. Perfect for A1 to B1 learners.
What's the secret to learning fast?
Practicing a little every day instead of a lot once a week.
That makes sense. Small steps, every day.
Exactly. Before we start, our small favor,
Like this episode. Subscribe to our channel.
and try our free Cambridge Veritas speech analyzer, link in the description, to check your pronunciation.
It only takes a minute, and it really helps.
Okay, let's start your 20 minutes of English today.
Let's go!
Let's start with 5 useful words for today.
Word 1,
Order. To ask for food or a drink. For example, I'd like to order a coffee.
Word 2,
Busy. Having a lot to do. For example, I'm busy this morning.
Word 3,
Nearby. Close, not far away. For example, there's a cafe nearby.
Word 4,
Comfortable. Feeling relaxed and at ease. For example, this chair is very comfortable.
Word 5,
Habit. Something you do regularly. For example, learning English is a good habit.
Order, busy, nearby, comfortable, habit. Got it.
Great. Let's use these words in a real conversation now.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Let's listen to a simple daily conversation. Daniel walks into a cafe.
I'm ready.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Good morning. I'd like to order a coffee, please.
Sure, would you like it hot or cold?
Hot, please. And a small one.
Great choice. Anything else?
Yes, actually. Do you have any sandwiches?
Yes, we have chicken and cheese sandwiches today.
I'll take a cheese sandwich, please.
Perfect. That will be $5. Are you eating here or taking it with you?
I'll eat here, thank you.
Great. Please take a seat. I'll bring it to your table.
Thank you very much.
Perfect conversation, Daniel. Notice, simple, polite, and clear.
Was there anything special in that conversation?
Yes. I'd like to order and I'll take are very useful phrases for ordering anything.
I'll remember those.
Let's try one more small conversation, this time asking for directions.
Okay.
Excuse me, is there a bank nearby?
Yes, there's one just 2 streets from here, on the left.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Perfect, short, polite, and clear again. Now, let's practice pronunciation. Repeat each sentence after me. I'd like to order a coffee, please.
I'd like to order a coffee, please.
Is there a bank nearby?
Is there a bank nearby?
This chair is very comfortable.
This chair is very comfortable.
I'm busy this morning.
I'm busy this morning.
Learning English is a good habit.
Learning English is a good habit.
Wonderful. Notice your rhythm and clarity improving already.
Repeating out loud really helps me feel the sentence, not just understand it.
Exactly. That's the power of speaking practice.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
Now it's your turn to speak. I'll ask a question. Daniel will answer first, then you pause the video and answer too.
I like this part.
What's your favorite drink in the morning?
My favorite drink is coffee with a little milk.
Now you pause the video and answer out loud. What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually relax, watch a movie, and see my friends.
Your turn. Pause and answer. Is there a park or cafe near your home?
Yes, there's a small park just 5 minutes from my house.
Now you pause and answer. Great job, everyone. Speaking out loud, even alone, builds real confidence.
It feels a little strange at first, but it really works.
It does. The more you speak, the more natural it feels. Now, a quick, simple grammar tip. Today, I like versus I'd like.
What's the difference?
I like talks about things you enjoy generally. I'd like is a polite way to ask for something now.
Can we hear examples?
Sure. I like coffee means you enjoy coffee in general.
And I'd like a coffee?
That means you're asking for a coffee right now politely.
So, I'd like is more polite for ordering?
Exactly. Always useful in cafes, restaurants, and shops.
Let's practice the difference. I like tea in the morning, but today, I'd like a coffee instead.
Perfect example. You use both correctly.
This is a small tip, but really useful every day.
That's exactly why we call it a mini tip. Small, but powerful.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Let's do a quick review of everything today.
I'm ready.
What's a polite way to order something?
I'd like to order, or I'll take.
Perfect. What's the difference between I like and I'd like?
I like is general. I'd like is a polite request right now.
Excellent. And what were our 5 vocabulary words today?
Order, busy, nearby, comfortable, and habit.
Wonderful. You remembered everything.
This quick review really helps everything stick.
That's the goal. Learning fast means reviewing often, even briefly. One more round of shadowing before we finish, using today's keywords. I'm a little busy today.
I'm a little busy today.
The cafe is nearby.
The cafe is nearby.
I'd like to order a sandwich.
I'd like to order a sandwich.
This is a comfortable seat.
This is a comfortable seat.
Practicing English is a great habit.
Practicing English is a great habit.
Wonderful. You just practice speaking, listening, and vocabulary all together.
20 minutes really does feel like enough.
That's the whole idea. Small, consistent, effective practice.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
Daniel, what did we learn today?
New vocabulary, a cafe conversation, pronunciation practice, and a grammar tip.
Plus speaking practice and a full review.
All in 20 minutes.
What's the most important message today?
A little practice every day adds up to real progress.
Exactly. Our question for you: will you practice again tomorrow?
Tell us in the comments.
Which part did you enjoy most today?
Share it with other learners.
Please like this episode.
Subscribe and come back tomorrow for another 20 minutes of English.
And don't forget our free Cambridge Veritas speech analyzer, linked below.
Share this with a friend who wants to learn English fast.
It could be exactly what they need.
Thank you for learning with us.
Your English is getting better every day.
This was the English Fluency Podcast.
Until next time, keep practicing a little every day.
You got this.
Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Happy learning!
If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.